Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fit long text in a cell. Now there are three methods that we're going to see and I'm going to show you all of them. So the easiest one is this one here. You head over to that particular let's say cell, and then you just click wrap text. So the moment you do that, yeah, what's going to happen is that it's just going to bring down the other words below. And the second method is we're going to go ahead and click this, choose this one right here. It's format cells, alignment, and then shrink to fit. Hit OK, and what's going to happen is it's going to make those letters smaller. And yep, another one is this. It's going to be a manual method. So if, say, for example, this is going to be a thing that you're going to do, the main reason is that because you have more flexibility, so you can click Alt and then enter, and it's going to bring that line to the next page or to the next line. So there you go. We're just going to make it fit here, and there it is. So yeah, go ahead and choose between the three options. That is how you're going to fit long text in a cell here in Excel.